Hey, did you miss me? I'm back. What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Cardiar Fresh from CardiarFreshTV, and today we are back here at the Auto Garage Austin location here in Austin, Texas. And we have a little nice car meet here early in the morning, bright and fresh, you dig? So without any further ado, let's go check out some of these cars and we'll go from there. I missed you guys.
Living large in Venus.
Okay, all right, I see what's going on here. Nice BMW M5, looking clean, looking sharp, black on black. I like that. That's what's up, man. Don't get to see too many of those. What do we have here? Is this the Porsche Gt3 Rs? Oh yes, look at the rims on that bad boy. That's what I'm talking about. I believe those are brushed gold rims. Whew, beautiful combination. And of course, you know, we got this beauty right here, the McLaren 720S with the orange trim to it. Real nice, elegant looking. I wish I knew the exact color blue that was, because it is slick, man. When I say when you see this in person, it is nice. And the rotors are like huge. Oh yes, let's go further back down into the car. Shout out to the owner, two-door killer. Hey man, nice car, my guy. Nice car. Hey, carbon fiber everywhere, you dig? You see the pipes, you see it. Oh, and we got another Porsche Gt3 Rs, white one on black rims. I think these are the BBS rims, man. Clean with the orange, oh no, excuse me, the yellow trim on it. And yes, it does have the roll cage in the back. And I'm telling you, whoever was driving this car was getting down. Look at the end of the video to see what I'm talking about. And of course, you know, we had to put the 911 next to the other ones, you know, the little brother, you know, but hey, this one's wrapped really nicely. Got the Hot Wheels theme to it. It's real beautiful, man. Nice with the white wheels. So I can't lie. It's pretty slick. Got the carbon fiber tail in the back, man. I'm trying to tell you, that's a beautiful wing. Pretty big, man, in person. I'm telling you, it's really nice. So shout out to all the car owners, man, who are really doing their thing, man. You know, much love to y'all guys.
All right, man, so we are checking out some of the cars. The sun is officially out. Hold on, let me get out these folks' way. All right, so we are checking out some of the cars, man. They're beautiful. I mean, you got the Mercedes AMG GTR. We got the Lamborghini Huracan. We got the McLaren 720S. We got a lot. We actually got a couple of Porsche Gt3 Rs, which is crazy. I mean, we got tires with 355s, 325s, 315s in the back. I'm talking about some fat booties. I'm like, good man, she got her dome. She got her dome. She got her dome. Hey, I'm just saying, like, they are really dope. And we're gonna check out some of these other cars. Look, we got a couple of Fast and Furious looking cars out there too. So man, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all that cool stuff, man. It feels so good to be back, man. I know it's been a long time. Those who don't know, I had 2 back surgeries, you know. So my second one was the SI joint surgery fusion. Man, that stuff is no joke. But, you know, go and get back to the show. So stay tuned. This time next year, I will be premiering my car. I'm not gonna say what it is, but I'll give you a clue. It has the same motor as that car over there. We have here the 2020 BMW M2 Competition. When I say the blue on here is immaculate, it is immaculate. Shout out to the owner, man. The carbon fiber accents on here as well. It is slick. It is dope, man. I'm trying to tell you, I must say it is nice. We got a 3 Series BMW right here, again with the carbon fiber accents on it. It's beautiful, man. Shout out to C Matt, that's the owner of the car. He did a good job with this one, man. Hey, shout out to all the BMW owners out there, man. They came out here deep. When I say they were deep, they was deep, man. This is only a portion of the cars out there, man. And it seems like the black on black theme is what's going on. So shout out to all y'all guys again, man. And the Infinities as well, because that is an Infinity. Just want to let y'all know before y'all try to chew me up in the comments, man. You know, so slick, clean, beautiful cars, man. And this bad boy right here is like a matte color, and then we got another black one. So appreciate y'all. All right, look at all the beauties. And there you have it, folks. Auto detailing garage here in Austin. The EuroFed car show, meet and greet. It was fun, had a blast. I hope y'all did too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all that cool stuff. Yes, I will be back very soon. I'm not over. I told you I was gonna come back, but I gotta finish healing though. But I just wanted to let y'all see my face for a second. Oh man, just for men. Hey, I need a sponsorship. I'm see you on for these. Anyways, man, I appreciate y'all, man. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope y'all like the cars. I definitely did. Appreciate your time. Y'all already know my slogan. I got the recipe, baby. Now let's cook. Peace. You're not gonna catch hell.